till now we created our first demo site, which has two pages. One is index page, which is the home page, and there is the Udemy coupon page, right? These two pages, but there is no menu. So in this video we'll see how we can add menu with our website, so that we can directly click here and then we can access. So I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code, my project. This is my project, and here I'm going to increase the font a little bit so that it is easy to read, and I'm going to minimize this terminal from here, and it will be looking like this. Now I'm going to access the YAML file, hugo.yml file. We have to click here, and very shortly it will be looking like this. Now we need to add menu over here, menu configuration thing over there. And now this is the like installation page, documentation of this paper mode theme, right? So we have to scroll till we find this type of like configuration file, which is YML file format. If we scroll a little bit, we'll see there are a couple of lines are there. I'm going to copy a couple of things, like here menu, and there is main, and there are a couple of menus are there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy only like these two things, because we have two pages. That's why I'm going to link, I'm going to add two menus. That's why I'm going to choose this thing, Control C. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to open Visual Studio Code, and then I'm going to paste it, and it will be looking like this, menu, this thing. So there are a couple of things are there we need to configure here. So here it is mentioning like identifier, then tags, this thing is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this line, and I'm going to remove like this. I'm going to move this thing, remove. So here also I'm going to remove all the empty space like this, and it will be looking like this. So menu, main, name, URL, wait. Okay, so at first I'm going to create a menu for home page. So we can type here, name is like we can use double quote, and inside it we can mention home like this, home. And here we can mention which will be the home page. Home page will be the root, right? So we can mention this will be the home page like this way. Okay, and then weight we can like weight means like what is the position. One means here, two means there, three means like this way. So I'm going to put the weight like 1. Okay, then same way we need to configure this part also. So index part is done. Root means index basically. And now I'm going to coming this section, which is Udemy coupon. So what I'm going to type, I'm going to type it here, and I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to type like Udemy coupon, Udemy coupons. And here we need to modify the URL. So I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to copy this thing so that we can easily quickly we can modify. Control C, and then I'm going to open which one, the email file, this one, this one, and here I'm going to paste that thing, Udemy coupon, and here I'm going to put the weight as like 2, and I'm going to save it. So once I save it, now you'll see it may be updating, I'm not sure, but still I'm going to check. So we added 2 menus, right? So by default it should be visible over there. So let's see whether it is visible over there or not. I'm going to jump this thing, and I'm going to refresh. Okay, and here I see, yes, there is 2 menu, home and Udemy coupons, and both links are working fine, right? If we click home, it is coming to the home page. So they are showing home page and coupon. If we click here like this. So there is one thing I need to mention now. So sometimes you will see the menu is not working, or the menu is not updating. If you modify some menus over here one by one, then you will see sometimes it is not updating. So at that time, what you need to do? At the time, you just need to come to Visual Studio Code. You just need to like cancel this server run by pressing Command keys, C key together here, like Control C together, and you'll see Control C, and it cancelled. Now if you go that website, it will not run basically. See here, it is not showing anything. So at the time, we just need to cancel this server, and we need to open the server again. And once I type it there, then I'm going to hit return key. The server will run again, and now if we go there, if we refresh, we'll see everything is running fine like this. Okay, and that's it. In this way we can add some menus for our site also like this way.